So we're back here in Kitsilano. I love it here. Used to live right around the corner at 4th and Alma. Lived in a great one-bedroom apartment. Was paying $1,500 a month back 6-7 years ago. Obviously, since then, rents have gotten way out of control here because that same place will rent for $2,800 a month today. In fact, a couple months ago, we rented a 2-bedroom right around the corner here at West 6th for $4,500 a month. And many of you know the reason for that is because we're not building enough. There's too many people coming here with no plan to manage that. And the interest rates are incredibly low, so it's easy for people to get financing and buy. So we know what the answer is to solve this. You either need more homes, which nobody wants to build to damage the parks, increase traffic, get rid of some of these beautiful heritage homes, and allow a bunch of people, more people to move here, or a bunch of people just have to leave. And why would you leave Kitsilano if you can afford to live here already? It's kind of like this volleyball court out here. We either need more courts or we just need people to get off the beach.